Moscow is one of the largest cities in the world and has been around for centuries. It has been the scene of some of the most important events in Russian and world history, and it has gone through remarkable changes in the last 100 years. At the start of the 20th century, Moscow was one of the most heavily industrialized cities in the world, powered by huge state-run factories and companies. The population was growing quickly, and the city was crowded and dirty, with smokestacks blocking out the sun. Most of the city was made up of small, cramped apartments and there were few public parks or green spaces. However, the Soviet Union placed a great emphasis on the modernization of Moscow, and the city began to change dramatically. Giant buildings were constructed all around the city, including the vast Stalinist skyscrapers and the Moscow State University. The streets were widened and public transportation was vastly improved. Parks, gardens and monuments dotted the city, along with impressive cultural and scientific institutions that shaped life in the city. Since the fall of the Soviet Union in 1991, Moscow has continued to develop at a rapid pace. The city is full of modern skyscrapers, and the skyline is constantly changing. Public transportation has been further improved, with subway lines and buses connecting the entire city. Numerous new parks and green spaces have been created, including a large park along the Moscow River. The infrastructure is modern and efficient, and the city has become much cleaner and more pleasant to live in. Moscow is now a thriving, cosmopolitan city with a wealth of cultural, scientific and commercial attractions. It is a major tourist destination and a center of business and finance. It is an incredible place to visit, offering stunning architecture, grand monuments, and some of the most iconic landmarks in the world. Moscow has changed a lot in the last 100 years and shows no signs of slowing down. Despite its storied history, the city has managed to stay vibrant and innovative, and it remains a unique and exciting destination for travelers from all over the world.